Will AI replace the receptionist? If you're deciding whether to hire a receptionist or even replace one with AI, you landed on the right place. In the next few minutes, I will break down where AI receptionist beats a human and where a human beats the AI. Let's start with where the AI receptionist genuinely wins, and for these things, humans aren't even comparable. Number one is availability. An AI receptionist works 24/7, through weekends, holidays included. It never calls in sick, it never takes a lunch break, and it never quits 2 weeks before your busiest season. Number two is volume. A human answers one call at a time, but an AI receptionist can take 50 at once, so nobody sits on hold ever. There's zero hold time, even at your busiest hour of the year. Number three is cost, because for one, the AI receptionist runs for a fraction of a single salary, and there is no onboarding and no ramping up. Even with languages, an AI can switch to Spanish, French, or German mid-sentence instantly without waiting or learning the language. A human receptionist who speaks 60 languages simply doesn't exist. On availability, speed, and cost, a human sadly can't compete. And that's just math. But what does that mean? Are we humans done? How can we really compete with that? Well, in our opinion, there's a whole category where the human receptionist still wins outright. And the first is empathy. A person can hear that a caller is upset or anxious or grieving and completely shift their tone. AI is getting better at this, of course, but it's not the same as a human who would genuinely understand the emotion. And number two is judgment, because in calling, there's lots of weird off-script situations and requests that don't really fit any rules that might pop up in a day, and a good receptionist can improvise these tasks. AI mostly works from what it already knows, but the messy edge cases, or an angry customer, or a tangled complaint, or the VIP who expects to be recognized, that's where a human shines. And finally, the nuance of interactions. Catching the hint that a caller is ready to buy more, or knowing when to bend a policy to save a relationship, that's still human superpower. Which brings us to what actually happens in the real world, and it's not pick one or the other. Most of the calls that are hitting your desk are routine opening hour directions, bookings, reschedulings. And that's 80% what a receptionist should handle anyway, all day long. And the hard 20%, the emotional calls, complicated ones, and the judgment calls, they should go immediately to a human with all the context ready and attached. They can stop doing the robot work and spend their time doing exactly where us humans win. So here is my honest take. An AI receptionist versus a human is almost the wrong question. And the one that matters is how you connect these two parts. And that's what we believe at CloudTalk, because CloudTalk's AI receptionist is built into the phone system and synced with your CRM of choice. It answers, it books, and it resolves the routine stuff on its own. And the second a call needs a human to talk to, it hands over with the full history attached, with like who's calling, why, and everything that was already set. And there's also proof that this is working. I mean, look at Circle Gym, who swapped their booking links for CloudTalk AI receptionist and watched their trial bookings jump 150% while handing their team back more than 20 hours a week. Their human team got freed up for the members that were actually standing right in front of them. So AI receptionist versus a human. The businesses that are winning aren't picking a side. They are letting the AI receptionist own the volume and letting their people handle the moments that need a human. If you want to try this out, there's a free CloudTalk trial link down below in the comments. No credit card requirements, and you can try to set it up in minutes. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.